everybody, welcome back to StarGirl Beauty channel. If this is the first time you're here, you have come to the right place. We love skincare and we love makeup and we talk about them a lot because we want to have brighter, smoother skin every day. And also we're doing weekly giveaway like today, Friday, we're going to have another awesome beauty subscriber winning a beauty basket to bring it home. But before I go through today's basket, I just want to show you what I use on my eye today. How do you like put some pink on the eye in the front, and then because that is just the blush, because I have a tiny little travel size palette in my possession, and this is Bobbi Brown. And you know the brand Bobbi Brown. Bobbi Brown is like a celebrity makeup artist. She's really good. Her skincare, her makeup, it's really good stuff. Check it out. Look at the blush color. Right up in my alley. It's like a very, very Barbie pink, almost like a little bit purple shade in there. So I love that. That's because of that blush shade that I am unwilling to give this away. And I have to keep it. I have to use it. Alright, so now let's go through the basket. Now today I do have a theme for you, even though I'm lazy and I'm just coming up with one basket. But this week I want to focus on, like I said, skincare, and it is KBeauty, Korean beauty skincare. I want to focus on Korean beauty skincare, in particular sheet mask. Now, sheet mask is just something that I personally really enjoy, and I know many of you like love it. They are just so effective. Like if I haven't done sheet mask for a whole week and then I am like dry, flaky, makeup doesn't even go on good, and then I immediately come to rescue is sheet mask. When you win this basket, okay, when you win it, you're going to have to take up the challenge to use this sheet mask for consecutive 14 days, 2 weeks, every single day. You use a sheet mask, and I guarantee you, your skin will look better than ever. Never been so good. It's because the ingredient in this sheet mask is just excellent ingredient. Wait until I go through it with you. And then it's like highly concentrated. It's just a huge super dose of nutrient putting back into your skin every night, 20 minutes to 30 minutes. Let it absorb all the nutrient, and then you're going to be very happy, and your skin will thank you a lot. Now this is what we are giving out every single week. So there are 4 in there. There is a charcoal when you have congested pore, when you have blackhead, whatever, whitehead, use the charcoal. And then the next one is cucumber. Cucumber is also very detox, highly detoxified ingredient. Okay, cucumber. And then here is your collagen. Collagen is very moisturizing, great humectant. You remember that. And then it is your snail. Also super healing power in the snail mucin. This is a charcoal purifying mask, detox and chill. What's the difference? I don't know. Try them. This is just charcoal, but this is said detox and chill, and it is like purifying. Now I really love leaders. I am giving you all these sheet masks that I personally use them and I really like them. So I want you guys to try them all, right? All right, that one, and then this is like detox and chill, purifying your skin. And then the next one is what is the brand? It's Mediheal. I love Mediheal. I love this brand. Simple, period. I love this brand. And this mask is a Vita light beam. So there are a lot of vitamins in there. Silky cellulose mask sheet. The next one is from the brand Deodorant, another KBeauty. Well, actually, except the Sephora, everything else is KBeauty. Oh, sorry, I don't know why I even put the Sephora in. Oh, I think it's because it's brand new. I got it, and so I just put it in, but actually except this thing, everything else is KBeauty. Okay, sorry about that. Deodorant, this is, I love it, peptide age prevention mask. Peptide science. All right, so we went through the ingredient peptide in our skincare ingredient series. If you don't know, If you haven't watched it or if you forgot about how great peptide is for our skin, you can always go back and watch that video. That's peptide. The other one from JBeauty, it's Pearl. I just used a Pearl sheet mask 2 nights ago and it was just awesome. The Pearl is making my face so brightening. It's crazy. Number 3, also from JBeauty, this is EGF, standing for external growth factor. There are many things that belong to the growth factor category, like your ceramides or hyaluronic acid, things like that, but I forgot the complete list. But anyway, this one is great. It's good for skin rejuvenation and great for create skin elasticity, and also great for moisturizing your skin. So this is a healing mask, right? This is a EGF healing mask. Like if you have sensitive skin, like if weather change or you use something bad or you ate something bad, you have some kind of allergy things going on there, this healing mask is good for you. The next one is from the brand The Cure, and this is honey collagen essence mask. Oh wow, it has honey in it and it also has collagen. Honey is like, I love honey. Honey is so anti-inflammatory, so antibacterial, and is so good for moisturizing. And then the other one is Misha. I love this Misha sheet mask also, and I use the snail, I use the rice, and this one it's Pearl. So you have 2 Pearl for you to compare. One is from JBeauty Pearl and this one is Misha Pearl. So like the Pearl is just awesome. Yeah, Pearl, awesome. Next is this by the Cream Shop, and now this one is great. I'm giving you double dose because I personally love those ingredients. Listen what it is. Watermelon, one brand that use watermelon, actually 2 brands use a lot of watermelon, and actually 3 brands. Glow Recipe has a lot of watermelon great stuff, right? And Bliss, BLISS, that brand also has a lot of, they have the watermelon toner that was like fantastic. People love it. I am trying to buy it. And then also Henhu has a lot of a watermelon skincare ingredient, like Ipsy sells it. Kombucha is a fermented black tea ingredient, and we love fermentation skincare ingredient. Fermentation is like so nutrition. They are like probiotic. If you hear the word probiotic a lot, fermentation, kombucha, right up into your alley. And the last one by mistake that I put in is a non-KBeauty. This is a Sephora. Now I also actually love this Sephora mask. I myself have quite a few of them. It has a lot of essence in there. The size is good, and this one is rose. Rose is very purifying, and it's also relaxing. Great ingredient. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14-day sheet mask challenge. All right, so winner, will you take up the challenge? But that's not all. Besides those 14 sheet mask challenge, I'm also putting a whole bunch of like samples for you to try it on. It's all KBeauty. Oh, this is JBeauty. So Shado, Misha, Hamish, Huxley. I love the brand, by the way. Do you guys know about Huxley? Another great KBeauty brand. I like great. Their Gravity Cream, their like Sahara oil serum is just like bestseller. And then there is the Glow Recipe, Pineapple, Watermelon Mask, and then these products I love. Amora Pacific, the treatment enzyme pill. I love this product. It's like enzyme. It's a fruit enzyme, like to exfoliate, but it's the most gentle way to exfoliate your skin. After you try it, you're going to want to buy the product, but Amora Pacific is not a cheap product. I think the full size is maybe, I don't know, $60, $80, I don't know. So are you ready? Are you ready, Mimi? Yes, I am ready. Okay, so I am already drawn out our winner this Friday, and this is another huge supporter of StarGirl Beauty channel, and it's like I'm truly grateful for all your support, and it's an awesome beauty subscriber, and it's like awesome subscriber. Anyway, drum roll, it's going on, and we have the person winning. Actually, I hope you find this. It's a prize for you, a challenge. You know, I hope you like it. So this week, the person who will take up this challenge is ML. Who is ML? ML is, ta-da, Miranda Lamb. Miranda Lamb, congratulations. Miranda, are you ready? 14 days for your sheet mask challenge. Let us know how it is and let us know if it does make a difference. I really think it will make a huge difference on your skin, and I think you're going to love it. And I hope you love sheet mask, all right? But in case you don't, share it with your sisters, your mom, your friends, whatever. Share them. Share the goodies. All right. But anyway, once again, thank you so much and congratulations, Miranda. I hope you enjoy the sample. And this is all, like, besides the JBeauty, the shadow, and the Sephora, these are by mistake. I put it in this. I don't know what happened. But anyway, the rest of the stuff is KBeauty. I hope you like KBeauty. I am obsessed with KBeauty, and many of you just like love KBeauty, right? All right. So congratulations one more time, and you know what to do. My email is down below. Make sure you email me so that I have your address and I'll prepare your beauty box. And if there is a delay in shipment, I apologize, because remember, I have 2 sick senior dogs, so I'm like kind of delayed. So I apologize for the winners for the past 2 weeks, and I haven't shipped out the beauty box, but it is on the way, don't worry. So get excited. All right, thank you so much one more time, Miranda, and all of you out there, thank you so much, and I really truly appreciate all your support, and thank you so much for watching. Please come back next Friday, because I don't know what I will be doing next Friday, but if you have any idea, let me know, leave it in a comment, and let's get to it. All right, but anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to be the star of the show, I always say. Thank you.